Hi guys, come let me show you how I got rid of this 5 years stain. I don't think it's even 5 years. I think it's more than 5 years. I can't actually remember, but this stain has been here for like long. No matter what you try to use in cleaning it, it doesn't go. But finally I got rid of it. Though not 100%, though, but at least I got rid of it. I wasn't really expecting it to look like new, but at least this is actually, oh my goodness, like I wasn't expecting this. Okay, so I tried two methods. I've been saying this and I'm just like, it won't work, it won't work, it won't work. Then I decided to try it, guys. I tried two methods. Okay, so for the first method, I tried using baking soda, salt, and white vinegar, and what's it called, dishwasher. So first I added salt to the pan, so the dry pan, you add salt to your dry pan. After adding salt, you add baking soda. So you're just going to sprinkle your salt on the pan or the pot or whatever you want to wash. You sprinkle your salt, then you sprinkle your baking powder on it. Then after that, you're going to add dishwasher to it also. Whatever dishwasher you want to add, or detergent, any soap at all, you just add it on it. After adding it on it, I'll tell you what to do next. But first, you have to like, you have to subscribe if you've not, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you will be notified. So thank you. So after adding your dishwasher, you're going to cover it with a paper towel. So you're going to get tissue, any tissue of your choice, and then you will just cover it up. After covering it up, you're going to get your white vinegar. So you're going to cover it up like this, and then you get your white vinegar. Now you're going to sprinkle your white vinegar on it. So you just sprinkle it and allow it sit down for a while before coming back to like remove it. And according to what I saw, or according to what I read, the whole thing is supposed to be gone. Like the pot is supposed to be as good as new, like shiny new, but it didn't work. I tried this method twice because I felt I didn't allow it sit long enough, so I had to like try it again, and I left it there for like almost 5 hours, if I'm not mistaken. But same thing, it didn't work. So I decided to try the next method, guys. The next method was actually annoying because I spent money buying some things, but at the end of the day, I'm glad I did because it actually worked. If anybody should tell me that one day I would remove this stain from this pan, I won't actually believe. Okay, so this pan is actually older than me, like very old, older than me, but it's still in our house because of one or two reasons. So I wasn't actually expecting this stain to go because the stain has been long. It's like permanent stain. But surprisingly and funnily enough, if there's anything like that, I removed the stain today. Okay, so after trying this method, I was annoyed and I decided to try the other method. If it doesn't work well, no wahala, let me just try. So for the other method, you just get your container or you get anything you want to use in mixing it. Then first, you're going to add your dishwasher. So you're going to add any dishwasher of your choice, or maybe detergent, soap. You're going to add soap. After adding soap or dishwasher to it, you're going to add your paste. I don't know if any other paste will work for it, but I added Colgate. I don't know if any other paste will work for it, like I said, but if you can get Colgate, fine. After adding Colgate, you go in with your Coca-Cola, so you add it to it also. So you add these ingredients together, and lastly, let's not forget our baking soda. So you're going to add your baking soda to it also. You add all these ingredients together and you just mix everything up. So you mix everything up. After mixing everything up and mixing it well, then you get your pot or your pan or whatever thing you want to wash or remove stain from. You just get it, and now you get your sponge, your iron sponge, your hard sponge, any of the above. Now all you need to do is to scrub. So you just scrub out the stain, guys. Maybe because this stain is already should I say permanent stain, maybe because it's already like permanent stain, that was why it took long for me to like remove it. But I'm very sure if it's a stain of maybe a week, a month, or a day, it will go out in, should I say, seconds, guys. Like, I'm sorry the video is long, but I wanted you to see it, that it actually, it's not like I did anything extra, maybe anything I'm not showing you. Like, this is the video, this is what I used. As you can see, the stain is already going off. Because I started getting surprised at this point, because the stain was already coming off. Like, I was like, are you serious? Wait, just like that, guys. As you can see, you can see it. So let me know, have you tried this method before? Do you have any pot or any pan at home that you want to get rid of the stain on it? Try this method and come back to let me know. Like, come back to give me feedback. Let me know, like, are you serious? How didn't I know these things? Like, as you can see, all the black stuff's already coming out, guys. This stain has been long. This is a permanent stain, but as you can see, everything came out, almost everything though. So guys, please do not forget to like, and do not forget to comment, and like I said, do not forget to subscribe if you're not. Also, please feel free to share this video, because you never can tell, maybe somebody has one special pot or pan that is just there and the person can't use it because of the annoying stain. So help the person remove that stubborn stain today with this method. So do not forget to like share the video. Okay, so I had to like wash inside and outside, because as you can see, the inside also has this annoying stain. So that too is actually a permanent stain from all the frying and all of that. So I removed the stain from both inside and outside with this method, guys. Like, I had to show it to people in my house and they were like, it's not true, it's a lie. Because I don't know what to say. Well, let me know what you think in the comments. And yeah, before I forget, I was actually thinking or planning to use what's it called, ketchup on it, if it was going to work, but I decided to go with this first. So for the remaining stain, I will try using ketchup. If it works, I would make the video and upload, but if it doesn't work, then I don't think there'll be any need to like upload the video, though I pray it works, because if it should work, I'd have to go through all this stress now. All I need to do is to just get ketchup and start applying ketchup on any pot or pan I want to remove stain from. So I'm going to try it, and like I said, if it works, I would actually bring it. Remember the ketchup we tried on our rusty plier and it worked. I also tried it on rusty screwdriver, hammer, rusty key, and all of that. It worked. So the only video I posted was the one of the what's it called, the one of the plier. Yeah, that was the only video I posted, but I tried it on so many other things and yeah, it worked. So I'm going to try it on this too. I'll try applying ketchup to this back, like this remaining stuff that is still there. I'll try applying it to it, and if it works, yeah, I'll come back to show you guys. Look at my pot. My pot is almost as good as new. Like, look at my pot. I mean, my pan. I don't know anything you want to call it. But you have to scrub. Yeah, you have to scrub. They're not really hard. But yeah, you have to scrub. So this method is good and it is real. It is not fake. It is not a prank. It is 100% good and real, guys. So yeah, like I said, I had to wash inside too to see if the stain inside was actually going to go or not. So for the inside, since I was done with the mixture I did, I still had just small on the sponge. So all I needed to do was to add what's it called, paste. That's the Colgate. I had Colgate, then I added what's it called, Coke to it also. So this part I just used Colgate, that's the toothpaste, and then I used Coke, that's Coca-Cola, and then I used my dishwasher. So I just used these three ingredients together. I didn't use what's it called, baking soda, because there was no baking soda left. So I just used these three ingredients plus the small what's it called, mixture on the sponge from the first part of washing the back. So I just used that and I had to like scrub the front, and that was it, guys. Like, that was it. My goodness. You can see the stain of before. Now just wash patiently and see the after. So you can see me scrub without adding any other thing else. All I added was just those ingredients I mentioned, and then I scrubbed, guys. I just scrubbed and I rinsed, and it was looking as good as new, guys. Anyways, if you don't believe, you can try it and then let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your honest feedback. Bye. I'll leave you to watch the rest of the video. I don't know what to say again. So bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.